Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies with ghee. First, let's talk about preparing your ghee. Ghee, or clarified butter, brings a wonderful nutty depth to your cookies. It's crucial that your ghee is at room temperature, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, for proper creaming. If it's too cold, it won't combine well, too warm, and your dough might be too soft. This simple step ensures a perfect texture. Now, let's get to mixing the dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of room temperature ghee with 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, gradually incorporate 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt until just combined. Once your dough is mixed, it's time for the stars of the show, chocolate chips. Gently fold in 2 cups of your preferred chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed. This step is all about personal preference. After mixing, chilling the dough is essential. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This helps the flavors meld and prevents the cookies from spreading too much during baking, ensuring a perfect chew. Finally, let's bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Scoop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Let them cool slightly on the sheet before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your perfect ghee chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.